Uh-oh, somebody's pulling out carpet again.
This is day one. I got a message earlier that this is gonna extend into a second day. What's up, everyone? It's Jim with Go Flooring. I'm in Greer and stopping by. I've got an install going on, so let's see where we're at. Woo! They're almost done, guys. Look at that nice white quarter round. This is Palmetto Spice, one of our Go Flooring colors. Got a little bit to go right here, but I got a message that this was gonna go into day two, which, well, a lot of times it finishes on day one. There don't need to be a day two. Day two is your first day with new floors. But I guess this is a lesson. I thought me putting 3 stair noses on the contract was enough to have 1, 2, 3 stair noses. But no, that is not the case, because there ain't no stair noses here on site, which is less than ideal, but not a big deal. That'll be either happen tomorrow or the day after. It'll be this week. There's no need for me to alert anybody, because, well, everybody already knows. What we did is replace what was carpet all upstairs, and looks pretty good with the existing. What you guys think of Palmetto Spice? It goes with a lot of the decors. This is white quarter round. This isn't going to be finished today, unfortunately. We don't have the stair noses in sight. That'll be in the next day or two to finish this up, and there's a little trim remaining here and here. I don't really want to make installers get on camera, and the homeowner, Muhammad, he says his wife sold. There will be an official testimonial video after all the work is done. So I'm not going to introduce you to the homeowner, which he's a super guy. Beautiful family, beautiful home. He's making me tea with a little honey in it as we speak. So I'm gonna go have a little tea. Another perk of being here at Go Flooring. But thanks a lot for watching this video. If you like these behind the scene flooring type videos, drop a thumbs up. Let the algorithm know. If you want to find out more about Go Flooring, Google us or go to goflooring.com. See you in the next video.